Hello, in this video I will show you briefly how to do the ER diagrams using MySQL Workbench. So you can download it from here. I already have done it, so I'm not going to redo it. But when you have installed it, it starts and looks like this. Okay, I have thought this database costs quite a lot, so I have many connections here. But I will show you how to do a new connection to the database we just created. So set up new connection, and this connection method is standard TCP IP, and then we can give it a name. Uni7z, and let's put it like 10. Now the database is in the local host, so host name is this local address. Port is okay. We didn't create a normal user, so this username is root, and password was also root. Then you can test the connection. Everything seems to be okay, and we can push OK. Now we have this Uni server here. Start it. You can write the SQL statements here. So for example, show databases, and then you can push this lightning. You see here the databases that are installed, and we are using this my own. And we have this table countries there here, and we can see what's inside the countries table. Countries. So we have this Finland entry. Now I'm not going into all the details of this program. Create a database containing at least 3 tables so that the tables have relations with each other. So we have created the database. So now we can start to modeling this table on that new table. So we use database reverse engineer, and then we obtain the table from the server. It's my own. Execute. So now you see here is this countries table, and there should be 2 other tables. I just show you how to do the tables and the relations with those. You should maybe delete this MyDB. Let's delete it. You don't need it anyway. So here is my own database, and it has this countries table. Now we place another table here. Edit table, we can put some column. Table 1 ID. So you should rename those. So here you can check that this is primary key and auto increment some value variable char. And if we want to connect these 2 tables with the many-to-many relationship, for example, we can do another table. Let's do it this way. I put another table there. And so this table 2 ID primary key not null or increment another value and another value. This is not very informative, but just to demonstrate. So I'm not going to do into details of the relationships between tables, but if you want to do a one-to-many relationship between countries and table 1, you can use this symbol here. So now it created one-to-many relationship, and this country ID is now in this table 1, so or linked here, not exactly copied, linked here as an foreign key, so-called foreign key. And here just click on the table. So now you have also this table 2 primary key linked here in table 1. So table 1 has one and only one connection with the countries table. The countries have one or many relationship with the table 1. You can edit these names if you like. I would edit away those. To make it more readable. But in this video I'm not going to lecture through the theory of relationships in MySQL tables. You should read the tutorial in the Moodle. And if you can read Finnish, I have quite a lot of material written in Finnish. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you in this video.